winners. And to announce the winners, may we request again Mr. Edwin Sionco, VP for Marketing and Sales, to do the honor.
Presenting the second place for the Top Sales Manager Award for the year 2010. With a net sales of 163,622,250.02, the award goes to Derek Evaristo.
I love you! Pangarayo ko.
The moment of truth. The top sales manager for 2010, the individual who made all the difference.
He is one of the pioneer batch of sellers of Geo Estate. He was our top sales manager awardee for last year, and now has even ruled the next level. Ladies and gentlemen, with net sales of 199,832,392.88, the top sales manager for 2010 is no other than Mr. Santos Ledesma.
Para naman may ano, may double printing. Isa si your top seller, si Boyet, si John. Of course, si Glenn.
And now today, so a short message, let's hear it from our top sales manager, Mr. Santos Ledesma.
Thank you guys. Salamat sa lahat ng mga team members ko. Siguro ito na yung last ko. Dahil ibang task na naman. Ibang ball games na naman yung harapin ko. At ako naman ang magpa-problema sa inyo. Hindi na si Sir Edwin. Thank you also sa management. Thank you guys, thank you.
Galit ka.
For our
Thank you na.
session, we request the other awardee to come up on stage for another photo. Presenting the Pride of Internal Sales Group, the awardees for Top Sales Manager of Geo Estate Development Corporation. And now may we request the other awardees for Top Lead Broker Awards